The importance of KUKA Tech Day, it's an opportunity for our key partners to get together, invite our customers into one space so that we could share ideas and figure out a path forward. If I could describe today in one word, it'd be synergy. Our partner companies, we come together uniformly in front of our customer, delivering a unified solution.
Collaborative is the best way I could describe today, showcasing what Autotool and KUKA have done together, what our possibilities are, is really what this is all about.
For us, what it means to be powered by KUKA Connexions, really it's a force multiplier. We just enhance what we're already trying to do. It allows our engineering and our sales team to come alongside their engineering and their sales team and sharpen our approach to our customers' needs and deliver a full turnkey solution to them when they come to us. KUKA is showcasing their AMR technologies for product material movement around facilities. There's a ton of different applications. Behind me, there's multiple automated systems. It's really come a long way over the years. Their product is cutting edge, leading the industry.
There's a lot of new tech packages offered that will allow integration to happen faster, integration to happen easier, and the rollout to be much smoother on the shop floor when it hits the plant.
One of the things that KUKA does well to help implement robots into manufacturing settings today, it's really the user interface, the softwares and the tools that they have that are at your fingertips. The biggest challenge that manufacturers are finding today is a shortage of manpower. And one of the things that KUKA and its integration partners like Autotool are doing today to help fill that gap is adding robots and other technologies to existing manufacturing capital to allow them to move more product through their equipment. What success looks like to customers that are adopting automation today is being able to continue to manufacture the product that they're known for, but that their end product still has the exact same quality that the automation, the integration, and the robotics continue to deliver on that end customer's expectations. And I think we're seeing that happen every day in automation.
The adoption of automation really is what excites me the most about where manufacturing is headed. Just seeing the things that previously couldn't be automated through advanced technologies, different tech packages offered on the robots, means that the industry's headed in a great direction.
Seeing the growth to where we are today has been something I'm very proud of. We have to work together. Our partners are here in the shop. We're very appreciative of those partnerships.
The thing that excites me the most about where manufacturing is heading today is innovation. We're finding every day new ways to manufacture products. We're finding new ways to deploy new technologies. We're hoping today that our partners walk away from this event with a deeper understanding of what they get with the collaboration between Autotool and our partner companies to deliver a solution for the problems that they're trying to tackle.
Making automation easier.